What is up, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? If you guys can tell, I spent the weekend in Tallahassee, and that's why I haven't been posting and, you know, keeping up with my videos as I should have been for the past week. But starting with today's video, I'm back on track. I got a lot of big stuff coming to the channel, and that's kind of what today's video is about, is kind of a channel update. But I've got some mods and some big plans that I'm looking into today that I want to bring you guys along with me. So I haven't been with my truck for about 3 or 4 days, so this cold startup is going to be something serious. We got a bunch of things on the agenda today. We got to package and try and ship out some shirts today. I got to reveal a new mod, and we're going to go potentially look at a new build for the channel here. So let's get to it. Quick update. I am sometime this week or next week finalizing the date for the next boat tally truck meet, so stay tuned for the stay tuned. But just follow that Instagram page for updates, or just follow my page for updates. But that's coming soon. But 2 things on the agenda today. One, you can tell by the thumbnail, there is a new mod for the truck today that I'm very excited to show you guys. I won't have time to install it today, but I at least wanted to show you guys what it is and reveal it to you guys. And also, I'm back and forth about trying to put a new build on the channel. Obviously the goal of the channel is to rebuild this truck and keep, you know, doing new creative things to this truck, but I also want to do other stuff as well. And I think I might have found the perfect avenue to go with. So 2 things on the agenda today. We're gonna hop into the first one, which is obviously the reveal for the mod, which is actually sitting, if you can tell, on that tire right there. I'm gonna go grab it. Now, this new mod for the truck is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and something that you guys have suggested that I do for a long time. And without just hesitating too much, I'm just gonna go ahead and reveal it to you guys, because I'm just really excited to be able to show you. Again, unfortunately, I won't have time to install them today, but huge shout out to Bullet Antenna and True Spike lug nuts, because now we have 50 cal lug nuts to go on the truck to match the 50 cal Bullet red antenna. They are the same color, same exact color, and they're almost identical to the color of the MCGAUGHYS emblems underneath the trucks. You guys know the direction I'm going with the truck, obviously silver and black with all the red accents. Once we get everything finalized, the truck is getting completely redone, and we are going to do all, well, let me not get into that. We'll reveal that another day. Just know, new lift kit, new wheels, tires, new everything. The whole truck's getting redone. Right now I'm just doing a lot of little red accents that are all gonna get repainted or repowder coated, however I wanna do it later on. But obviously this is, you know, just little fun stuff to do to the truck right now, which is also going to go straight into what we're doing with the new build, because I'll reveal right now, the new build is gonna match what we're doing to this one. So we're gonna have 2 matching. And I think that's all I'm gonna reveal to you guys right now. But we are gonna go take a look at what I might wanna go with right now down the street. I hopped in the truck because it's really freaking hot outside, and I kinda wanna put one of these together. So they are 2-piece, they're not the full 1-piece, which is cool, but you've got your little 50 cal right there, obviously. And then you have the actual lug nut part, which I kinda like the 2-piece design because you can switch them out if you want to. And they're not as, with the 1-piece, you have a really long lug nut key, which is kind of aggravating, but I actually really like these. So I'm really excited to get these on the truck in the next, I might end up doing it at work tomorrow. So and actually this is pretty cool because you can, how this is gonna turn out, one that looks really freaking cool. I'm really excited about that. If you guys can see that, what the little bit of this piece isn't going to be shown. It's inside the wheel, if that makes sense. There's enough, you know, length of the lug holes on the wheel, or whatever you call them, to where the black isn't going to show, and it's only going to be the red sticking out, and that's really cool. And they do match almost identical to that on the antenna that I'm looking at behind you. They're just a little bit longer on the antenna, obviously. So huge shout out to Bullet Antenna and True Spike lug nuts. I'm working on getting you guys some kind of a discount code for these, and I'm really excited to get these on the truck to see what they look like. But like I said, we're gonna go look at a potential avenue to go with the new build for the channel. Part of this video, one, is obviously to reveal the new little mod that we got for the channel. Also, I want to I'm not doing a full reveal, obviously nothing's set in stone, but I'm throwing out some options for a different build for the truck, and that's kind of what I want to get some opinions on. So I have an idea, and I have an avenue that I think I want to go, but I want your guys' opinion. So we're gonna run down the street and take a look and just, I don't know, we're gonna run and take a look. We're gonna leave the bow tie over there for a minute. I'm at currently one of the local Chevy dealerships, and we're gonna take a look around on the day. Obviously it's Sunday, nobody's here, which is great, at some of the selection out here. Now obviously, you guys know the channel, that wide bow tie, whatever we get has to be a bow tie. And I kinda want you guys' opinion. Should I do another truck, maybe? Now, obviously, it won't be a brand new truck, be 15, 16, 14, something like that. Nothing too new. One, I don't really like these enough to spend that kind of money, but I don't want to do brand new. That's not what I want to do. So I'm thinking, ooh, let's go look at that. That's got some aftermarket wheels on it. So we're either going to do another truck to match that truck. Now let's go see what kind of options I actually really like the new 2019 Duramaxes. Currently, right now, I'm between two different things. One, some kind of older Duramax is kind of what I'm back and forth between. I see all the brand new 2020 Duramaxes over there. Ooh. Or two, I'm thinking about doing a Tahoe. Maybe like a Tahoe 15, 16, something a little bit different. That's kind of the direction I want to go, something different. But when we get all the new lift kits and new wheels and tires, and something that I can match to the wide bow tie when we get it all redone. So obviously, like I said, we're not going to do another 1500, at least not anytime soon, just because I already got one. I mean, that's completely pointless. So one of the things I wanted to do today was, one, I wanted to look at the 2020 Duramaxes, and I'm kind of just walking in circles right now. So we're going to go look at that real quick. Then we're going to go look at some of the Tahoes that are sitting over here as well. This is a new truck dealership. All the used stuff is that way. Obviously, we're not going to do a 2020 Duramax. I'm not made of money, but you guys know I did the 2020 GMC Sierra Duramax, which that was awesome. Huge shout out to Capital Cadillac, TJ and Michael over there. Awesome guys. If you're in the Atlanta area and you need anything, hit them up, Capital Cadillac. All your GM stuff. I mean, they do it all. But the 2020, oh man, I like those, man. Something about and they got a silver one. Oh my goodness. Something about that. I would do a lot of dirty things to that. Me and that truck could do a lot of things together, and at some point in my life that might need to happen. But let's we're gonna go take a look at the main reason that I came to this dealership today. Obviously, everything that we're looking at today, nothing is set in stone. This is just, I'm throwing a bunch of ideas back and forth, and it's kind of fun to bring you guys along in the process. But one of the things that I really would like to do, and where I'm kind of leaning, and this will be something that won't be done overnight, obviously. Everything on this channel takes time. You guys know that. I preach that all the time. But one thing I really kind of want to do, add a Tahoe to the channel. Just imagine 9-inch MCGAUGHYS lift kit, 375s. Imagine what we could do to a Tahoe to match the bow tie sitting over there. That would be insane. I really think having those two together at shows and meets and on YouTube, it would just, especially if it was silver and whatever color I want to do with the truck that I haven't revealed yet, just everything that I want to do is going to be never done before. Now obviously Grill Tech and Scoop, and there's some other people that have done matching vehicles before, but nothing like what I'm going to do. And I can honestly say nobody's done what we are going to do and how we're going to do it. That is my goal by the end of next year, and something that I'm currently already working on is trying to add some kind of vehicle. Again, I don't know if it's going to be a Tahoe, but I think we're going to do either older body style Duramax or Tahoe, one of the two. I'm leaning, I don't know where I'm leaning, to be honest, because a Duramax would be great. It'd be a lot of great content to come with a Duramax, but with a Tahoe, it's newer, it's nicer, and that would match the truck a lot more. So I want you guys' opinion. Leave some comments below which you guys would rather see. Again, that's just some opinions. I'm kind of doing some shopping around, and we're just trying to figure out what we want to do. Maybe a second build to the channel. Just I really want to add something else to the channel for you guys, and that's obviously the goal, is to keep building new stuff and always, you know, do bigger and better things. So again, like I said, leave some comments below if you guys want to see a Tahoe on the channel, or a Duramax, like an older body style Duramax, like a round body or cat eye. Leave some comments below and let me know, and I will take it all into consideration, and when the time comes, it'll be magic. Real quick before I head out, if I was ever gonna do a Duramax, holy crap, this would be it. Damn, I love the red. Especially, it's the same body style as mine. Obviously, it's the 2500 version, but being red, I love the red. You guys know I love the red. Holy crap, that would be, I'd lift the hell out of this thing. And like I said, leave some comments below what you guys would like to see as the next vehicle on the channel. I'm throwing up ideas and I want you guys' opinion. Throw some ideas, you know, legitimate ideas or just fun ideas. I mean, I'm really wanting to do something else, and I think it's time. I think it's time that we redid this truck and we built something else to go along with it. So I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. I've got merch. I'm coming out with hoodies soon, so hit me up for hoodies. I'm doing a whole rebranding, redesigning, everything. We're stepping our game up every single day. We get better every day, and I preach that. That's what the Bread Gang's about. So I'll see you guys next time. You're the best. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.